everybody, welcome again to my channel. Welcome to this year. It's not something that I really wanted to talk about, but after much contemplation, talking to my family, I decided that I would just do this share, So I have 6 250-gallon tote, and of the 6 submersible pumps were placed in all. We're placed in 4, right? 2 have air, 4 have submersible pump. Tilapia with submersible pump, Jack Dempsey with air, and my emboma with air, my goldfish with submersible pump and filtration, and my convict cichlid with submersible pump and filtration. So I did some work on Thursday, fixed up some pump, rearranged them and all that, and Monday morning, well, the next morning, Monday morning, I'm so fasted. So the next morning, it was Thursday morning, Thursday evening, Friday evening. So Friday morning, right, I woke up and I found that 2 of my pumps were gone. I've been noticing from the other day that some of my fish have been missing. Periodically, I will see my tilapia start going down. But I never really take it, anything much. I thought that they probably just died and something happened. So somebody have been messing around with my ponds. I do have some cameras, but the cameras did not pick them up where the ponds were. So I am a little bit downhearted right now, feeling as if, after you have actually, I have actually placed a lot of energy in this fish keeping experience, and I'm just contemplating. As you can see at the back, behind me, that's a portion of my fence. It's not finished. The front part is finished, but the back part is not. So the thieves actually walk at the rear of my premises, took my pumps, and seemed as if they were taking my fish gradually also. And I just feel as if I want to just throw in the towel, sell everything I have and just call it a day, go to something else. This is one thing why a lot of persons weren't really go into fish keeping like how I do, because being in Jamaica, the pretty last thing, stealing from person's property is a common thing. I have been encouraged by my son, surprisingly, and my wife not to give up. I'm presently rearranging the ponds and the 2 filter boxes that I have, so as to be in full line of my cameras. So regardless of wherever someone is within the yard, once they move towards my pond, I should be able to pick them up at the end of this rearrangement. But I'm really considering just call it a day. Matter of fact, I am trying to factor in how I'm going to actually get these containers off my property, and let's call it a day. It's just messed up, guys. It's just messed up. I mean, I've been doing this for like 5 years in the back of my yard, and somebody just came and just took them, just took my stuff. I have worked hard for it. I have put out a lot of sacrifice to be where I am right now, as far as this little fish keeping experience is at. I'm not even showing you my ponds. I'm not even showing you anything. I'm just speaking. You know, it's. I guess some persons might rejoice not seeing me anymore if I decide just to forget about the whole stuff. But you never got me. It's just that I am deciding for myself. You know, it's something that I am contemplating. You know, so that's up with me. Thank you for watching.